Hi, my name is Kimberly Loftus, and welcome to the Badlands National Park here in South Dakota. Today we are going to talk about the impact that the almost extinct at one time American bison have had on the mixed grass prairies located right here in the national park. Mixed grass prairies of the Badlands National Park are fundamentally shaped by two key functional groups: large migratory herbivores, known as the bison. They are the largest in North America. And also by small to medium grazing burrowing mammals such as the prairie dog that also live here in the park. Badlands National Park here in South Dakota is rare because of its mixed grass prairie ecosystem and wide variety of biodiversity, which are all reliant upon very sensitive mutualistic relationships between the species and plant life here in the park. Extreme weather has a huge impact. Winters are bitterly cold and summers are very hot and dry with little precipitation. Bison, through grazing and creating wallows, increase the biodiversity, prevent encroachment of shrubs, and increase nutrients in the soils so that other grasses, forbs, flowering plants, weeds can all grow, bringing in a wide variety of wildlife needed to sustain the ecosystem. Bison have developed a thick woolen coat, which allows them to not have to leave during the extreme winters, and the removal of their coats helps create the wallows. They rub their bodies on the ground, and their massive 2,000-pound bodies create wallows in the ground that then collect water and also help the grass, forbs, and weeds to grow throughout the park. Their grazing keeps grass short, which attracts prairie dogs, with whom they have a mutualistic relationship. Prairie dogs create actual towns throughout the park underground, which creates burrowing homes for burrowing owls, squirrels, rodents. This, in return, brings in predators such as coyote and rattlesnakes, and predatory birds like the red-tailed hawk. They come and they will feed on the smaller species, and that keeps their populations at bay, all while having beneficial effects on the ecosystem itself. Due to the harsh weather conditions in the park, it would be impossible to manage the wildlife and flora without the American bison. The once extinct black-footed ferret, who feeds off the prairie dog solely, would not be able to make a comeback. Pollinators would have no nectar to feed off of or habitats to sustain them, and the forbs and the weeds would disappear and die off along with the grasses. The American bison has made a huge impact on the ecosystem, and the more bison that are now present in the park, the more the ecosystem is able to flourish. Thank you for watching my presentation, and I hope you enjoyed it.